Hello teachers. Are you looking for free software to make your teaching easier? Here are 5 amazing open source applications that can help you every day. Number 1. LibreOffice. Need to prepare notes, question papers, presentations, or marks sheets? LibreOffice can do all of this for free. It is a great alternative to Microsoft Office. Number 2. OpenBoard. Want to teach like you are writing on a classroom board? OpenBoard turns your computer into a digital whiteboard. You can write, draw, and explain concepts easily. Number 3. OBS Studio. Do you create online classes or YouTube videos? OBS Studio helps you record your screen, voice, and webcam in high quality without any cost. Number 4. Kdenlive. After recording your video, you can edit it using Kdenlive. Add text, images, music, and effects to make your lessons more interesting. Number 5. Moodle. Moodle is a complete online learning platform. You can upload study materials, create quizzes, assign homework, and track student progress. Bonus, Ollama and Open Web UI. These tools let you use AI on your own computer. They can help you prepare lesson plans, generate questions, and create educational content quickly. These applications are free, powerful, and trusted by teachers around the world. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational technology tips.